Let's have a look at a user support. If you want to create a ticket, it's simply just go to user support and report an issue. Just type the subject, uh, creating a bot issue. All right, you can select the priority and the category, maybe bug reporting, and say whatever you like to say and submit. And then you can see all your submitted tickets will be here. Okay. And then the support team will receive that and they will get back to you. Look, but by default, we have, of course, an AI agent here. This is connected to our show you. This is connected to our documentation. This is everything what we have in our documentation. It's been basically activated in this extra support assistant. In your dashboard, you will find this. You can ask whatever you like here, and it will guide you through, even with the screenshots you can access here.